5 things I would stop buying or stop doing for me to save or to invest my money. Number 1, pasalubong. Nung bago pa lang kami nagta-travel ni Han, excited kami na bumili lagi ng mga pasalubong para sa family namin and friends. Now I realize, since 2 to 3 times a year na kami nagta-travel, yung simpleng ref magnet, keychain, chocolates, or food, pag kinumpute mo is napakalaking halaga din. So this time is no to pasalubong na muna kami. Kaya sorry na po. We will save and invest that money instead. Number 2 is fake or fashion accessories. Before, nung di ko pa afford kasi na bumili ng mga gold and diamonds, so talagang bumibili ako ng mga stainless steel or yung mga fashion accessories sa Shopee, sa Lazada, sa Shein. So yung mga fake or fashion accessories kasi isang suot mo lang, ang pangit na, and then talagang kita mo naman, mahalata mo naman na it's fake. Kaya I'd rather buy or spend my money on gold, white gold, or diamonds like this. So pag-iipunan ko na lang para mabili ko yung mga ganitong bagay. And alam naman natin na it will last a lifetime, di ba? Maipapamana mo pa, and it's an investment. Number 3 is doing my nails done and magpa-gel polish or nail extension. I don't know if alam nyo, pero doing gel polish for a long period of time can be harmful for your health. Kaya, I'll keep my nails short na lang. Mas maganda, mas neat. No nail polish is much cleaner. Nakatipid ka pa. Number 4 is footwear. I realized, grabe, I have 9 rubber shoes. I have 8 heels and then shoes na pang office. I have 2 leather boots and bukod pa yung mga slippers ko, mga slides ko na pang everyday. So, para mga 25 pairs yung meron ako na footwear. Grabe, ilan ba yung pa ako, no? Number 5, and last but not the least, it's gadgets. Last year, I bought this iPhone 15 Pro. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon. Pinilit lang ako ni Han. Kasi yung iPhone 11 Pro ko is still working naman. Though, yun nga, napilit naman niya ako kasi kailangan na din sa business namin. Dahil yung battery niya is madaling madrain. So, I need a new phone naman din talaga. So, imagine, no, 5 years kong ginamit yung iPhone 11 Pro. So, hindi na ako kailangan bumili pa ng mga latest gadget every year. Kasi hassle din, di ba, ang pagpapalit ng gadgets. Now, we have MacBook Pro, iPad Pro. So, for me, kompleto na yung meron kami na magagamit namin sa aming business. Kasi hindi rin biro yung halaga ng mga gadgets na yan, di ba? Pag nilagay mo yan sa digital banks like Ownbank or Maya, mas mag-grow yung money mo or ilagay mo pa sa investment, di ba? Mas malaki yung opportunity to make your money grow for you than spending it on something na hindi mo naman kailangan. Ikaw, what are the things that you will stop buying or doing for you to be able to save more or invest more? Comment down below. And that's all for this video. Follow for part 2.